Regulators! What up, guys? Danny from life.atv here. You know I got code behind the camera.
How's it going, boys?
This is my 2015 Polaris RZR 900, and we're gonna beat the hell out of it today, aren't we, Code?
Yeah, you got some stuff done to it too.
Yeah, come over here. We just got back from the shop, guys. I got the full windshield put on because not personally a fan of it, but it blocks the wind for my daughter, so that's the reason for it. And the Code will pan in there. Got new radio and speakers. So I haven't had it actually for like a week and a half, so I'm kind of anxious to ride it. And yeah, we're just gonna do some sketchy stuff with it. Hills, maybe take it through some water even, dude.
Heck yeah, man.
All right, man. Go, first hill.
Go, buddy.
Dude.
Do you bottom out?
Yeah,
really?
I can feel it right in the middle.
You know, I thought I heard it a little bit now that you say something.
Okay, we'll go do some more cool spots.
Yeah, we'll find another spot.
Video of the hill. I'm sure it doesn't look like anything on
yeah, camera doesn't really do it justice.
But on quads it was easy, but let's go try it on a RZR.
See if the hill is RZR proof, right, buddy?
Yeah, first let's go down. Here we go. Here she is, going.
Here we go, buddy.
Okay, I'm gonna put her in 4-wheel drive. Dude, it looks, I don't know if the camera does it justice, but look at this right now.
Yeah, I know, it's so steep.
Dude, look at that.
Straight, it's like a roller coaster, straight drop. Yeah, I know, it's so steep.
Dude, look at that.
It's like a roller coaster, straight drop.
Alright, I'm gonna drop Code off and I'm gonna go. Can I make the turn?
Oh, it's close.
When you're feeling a little bit nervous, you hold your hand up in the air and you say, Regulators!
Regulators! Yeah.
Shit, this ain't bad. Shit, we're good, dude.
That is way shallower than it was last week.
Shit, Code.
No, man. That's way shallower than it was last week.
Doesn't even come up to the floorboard. Go for a ride?
Yeah, can you come pick me up? I don't want to walk through the water.
better not test our luck with these road tires, dude.
Nah, man, if we get...
You better not test our luck with the road tires.
If we get stuck right here, it's no big deal, but if we get stuck down that way...
We took on a little bit of water. We took on a little bit. I seriously think we could go for help.
Hey, there's the old man. Regulators!
Alright, go taxi.
Taxi, buddy.
Fun.
Met up to the old man on the trail. He's gonna go with Danny Boy and the RZR to go up the hill. He's gonna go up the hill with him.
Gotta go for a little ride. And take him up the hill.
Heck yeah, man, do it. Hi, buddy. What do you think of taking it on the
I thought
RZR?
it was fun. It was a good time. It was a good time.
Did it seem a little more steep?
It's definitely a different feeling. It's a different ride.
Code, we'll have to go try the RZR on the trails we just widened out and see if we can get some cool shots of me flying by.
Heck yeah, dude. Let's go do it.
The back of that other one, I think, is a little bit.
He's talking about
Where
that
you're coming
other
up that hill and also you just freaking drop.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah.
The other
I
way,
think that one's worse than this one.
you bottom out going the other way. You-
That's freaking nuts.
Bastard tried to spray me.
Pretty narrow, dude.
Yeah, man.
Good. Too many Hondas outside. I had to bring a Polaris over, buddy. Hey, check out my new radio, buddy.
You got a new radio in, Bumps?
Bumps, buddy. All right, coach, show him. Hold the first one up, buddy. Okay, don't look yet, buddy. Don't look. Turn the foreman off. Ready, Code? Show him the first one.
Here's the first one, buddy.
Jesus Christ, that looks pretty damn
New
nice.
day.
God, that looks nice.
That's
doesn't it?
the.
It's kind of hard to tell on camera.
Couple videos ago, probably now. Remember when we did that lineup picture with all the quaddies? That's the picture right there. All the toys.
Got one more though, buddy. Got one more.
You guys are crazy.
Crazy, Bubba. They're crazy.
This one's the regulators.
This one is the original regulators.
Oh my God, that's pretty damn
Isn't
good.
that pretty neat?
That's pretty darn nice.
Even Bombs is on there, the bad.
Bombs made it.
I think you're wearing the same goddamn shirt.
He's got the same clothes on. Never
Different
changed.
hat.
Hope you enjoyed the kind of mess around video with my RZR 900, climbing some hills, doing some trails, taking it through some water. What do you think, Cody?
It was a fun
It
video.
was pretty fun. It was a fun video to make, probably one of the funnest.
Kind of a video we kind of just thought about the blue and we just said, with it, let's give it a shot.
GoPro ended up dying halfway through, sorry about that. But I think Code got us plenty of shots.
Yeah, I hope so. Hopefully they all turned out good.
But guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe. We upload weekly right now when the temperature is good, so make sure you're subscribed and we'll see you in the next one.
Later, guys.